The 2018 Ford F250 with gray cloth seats. I was going to do the black, but I didn't think it would look good with all this gray seat belts and all the gray plastic trim pieces. So I am going with a factory match katzkin leather. Supposed to be stone, I believe, is the color. And I'll be dropping it off tomorrow to see what it looks like. But here's before. And mind you, these seats are not bad shape. Truck's only got 26,000 miles on it. But I want leather for personal reasons. Easier to clean. Easier to get stains off of. So, here's what we're looking at. And hopefully tomorrow, I'll get you another video. And this is the after. Katzkin leather and stone. This is called stone, the color. Had gray cloth before. Now I got stone leather, perforated inserts, center console, and it matches almost perfect. Very satisfied.